Good morning, children. Welcome back. Here I am with the second part of the video, Life in the Deserts. I hope you have gone through the previous video and you have understood about the Sahara Desert. In the previous video, we have discussed about the geographical location of Sahara, the climate of Sahara, the flora and fauna found in that particular area, and the life of the people in Sahara. In today's video, we will be focusing on cold desert. We will discuss about Ladakh, which is a cold desert. It is situated in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Children, in the eastern part of the Jammu and Kashmir lies the cold desert Ladakh. It is also called as Khapachan, meaning snowland. It is a high altitude desert with craggy, barren cliffs and plateaus. Ladakh, it is divided into two districts, Leh and Ladakh. Now let us discuss about its geographical location in detail. Ladakh's altitude varies from about 3000 meter in Kargil to about 8000 meter in the Karakoram range. The region has a very few peaks. Ladakh is surrounded by the Karakoram range in the north and Jaskar range in the south. The river Indus flows through this region and cuts deep valleys. Many glaciers, such as the Gangri, surround Ladakh. Ladakh has a number of valleys. Most important them are the Suru Valley and the Jaskar Valley, which forms the foot of the northern part of the Himalayas. The river Shyok runs through this region. Ladakh, a part of India, is inhabited by the Ladakhis, who are also called as snowmen. It is a place where the teachings of Buddha are followed with great reverence. Now let us discuss about the climatic conditions of Ladakh. Due to its high altitude, the climate is extremely cold and dry. The summer temperatures vary from -3 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, while in winters it varies between -40 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Due to the high altitude of Ladakh, the air is very thin and makes the heat of the sun very severe. The Great Himalayas form a barrier against the moisture laden clouds. The rainfall is as low as 10 centimeter per annum, but the melting of the snow on mountain is a source of water for the inhabitants. Children, now let us discuss about the flora and fauna of Ladakh. Vegetation is very limited due to scanty rainfall and extensive year-round snow cover. Shrubs and grasses are seen in this region apart from poplars and willows which grow in the river valley. During the summer season, water from melting glaciers enables people to cultivate crops like rice, wheat and vegetables. Fruits such as apples, apricots and walnuts are also grown here. Wildlife of Ladakh includes yak, wild goats, wild sheep, dogs, snow leopard, nyan, musk deer, and Tibetan antelope. Goats and sheep provide milk, hide, and meat to the people living in this area. Yak milk is used to make butter and cheese and hair for making woolens. Bird species found commonly in Ladakh are robins, red stars, Tibetan snowcock, ravens, and hoopoe. Now let us discuss about the life of the people in Ladakh. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in summer months. Wheat is the main crop cultivated along with barley up to an altitude of 3000 meter above mean sea level. The crops are sown in May and harvested in September to avoid frost. Grain production is supplemented with horticulture and livestock rearing. Important fruits grown here are apples, melons, apricots, mulberries, strawberries, etc. Peas, potatoes, beans, and turnip are the main vegetables grown here. In Ladakh, herders are known as Changpas. They take care of long, shaggy haired goats and sheep and sell wool in its raw form, which is profitable product for trading. The famous Kashmiri Pashmina shawls are made from the underfleece of wild sheep. The vast pastures along the mountain slopes provide fodder for the sheep and goats. Yak is used as a means of transport. It also provides milk, meat, and hair to make tents. The people of Ladakh are very hard working. The women work in farms and even manage small business. Summer months are spent in agriculture and winters are spent rearing cattle and weaving. In Ladakh, every occasion is marked by feasting, dancing, and singing of the folk songs. Lamas, robed in colorful garments and wearing often frightful masks, perform mimes representing various aspects of the Buddhist religion. The biggest and the most famous of the monastic festival is Hemis Chesu, which falls in late June or the first half of July. People mostly follow either Islam or Buddhism. We can find several monasteries with traditional gompas such as Hemis, Thikse, Se, and Lama Yuru. Many tourists visit Ladakh between May and October and participate in the festive ceremonies. They also visit the Gompas track to see the meadows and glaciers. Due to the inhospitable climate and terrain, life is difficult in this region. But the people have coped up with the challenges and maintained a balance in nature. The government is also trying its best to improve the economy and living condition of the inhabitants. This is the end of the chapter, children. We will come back soon with a new video. Till then, goodbye.